So, andito tayo ngayon sa Frontiera Heights in Santo Tomas, Batangas to check this new foreclosed house and lot. But before that, please subscribe first to my YouTube channel under Foreclosed Hub. This is 99 square meters lot area and 81 square meters floor area at 2,880,000. So let's go and check this property. Kuya, may caretaker? Ako yung caretaker. Marami nang tumingin?
Marami, sir. Ito may sir, parang sila.
Ilan ang kwarto nito, kuya?
Sa taas po, tatlo.
Tatlo. May tulo sa taas? Or ano lang? So, 3. Yung bathroom niya. Three bedrooms. Upstairs. Ilan yung CR niya, kuya? Dalawa? Ano to?
Dalawa po dito sa taas.
Dalawa. CR din to.
Tapos ito po sa malaking kwarto, may CR din po sa
May CR din sa loob. Ito ano to? Kwarto rin?
kwarto mo rin.
Ang dami niyang kwarto, ha? Ito, kwarto rin. Pero yung kisame, walang tulo.
Wala naman sa doon.
Patingin lang, kuya, ha? Ito, may CR din dito. Wala siyang tulo talaga, ha? Kasi wala ring marks, no? Okay, so again, the property is located in Frontiera Heights, Santo Tomas City, Batangas. Malapit siya sa SM City, Santo Tomas, SNR, Padre Pio Shrine, All Day, Cabrini Hospital, Santo Tomas Public Market, Agoho Lifestyle Strip, South Supermarket Santo Tomas, and Star Toll. Available in cash or at least 20% spot down payment, 80% balance through in-house and bank financing, exclusive of taxes and fees. Submission of offer is first come first serve and as is where is basis. Initial requirements are accomplished offer form, 2 valid IDs, and 5% of the price reservation fee in check. So if you are interested to make an offer and schedule a viewing appointment, please message us directly.